Welcome everyone. Today is April the 13th, 2022, and I'm going to talk about Hedera Hashgraph. You guys can see that HBAR price collapses since my last price prediction, and it happens. I'm going to talk about why in the world would price in HBAR go down after I completed my last video for this cryptocurrency. Welcome. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I do price predictions, basically looking at what everyone else is trying to do with the money. You know, you got individuals here on every trade that occurs in the cryptocurrency space. You got a buyer, you got a seller, and whichever one side, the buyers or the sellers, outweigh the other is where the price is going to go. So all you have to do is really focus in on what is the current dynamic of the market. Who's actually winning in this currency? Is it the buyers or the sellers? So we really just need to look at the results of every trading day as to determine who's really winning. And so far, looking at HBAR, taking it all the way back here since September of 2021, the sellers look like they're winning because the price in HBAR has been trending lower since then. Now I'm going to talk about that. I'm going to give you all the price analysis, the price predictions as to what I'm looking forward to now in HBAR. So welcome, hit the like button, share, and also subscribe here to the channel to ensure you all stay updated as to where I'm suspecting price is going to go so that we can be in position and take money from the markets. Look at this. March the 30th. What's the last time I did a video in HBAR and I was looking for the price to go up? And for us to see the price go straight down tells us that the buyers never showed up. The buyers for HBAR never showed up. Now, that's a conundrum. That's a problem. We should not have seen the market in HBAR, if it was truly strong, go straight down immediately. Like, we should have scratched our head the following day after I did the video and said, okay, something is not right. Why would HBAR immediately go down the next day 7% if I was expecting the market to go up? Because you can see it prior to me doing the video, the market in HBAR was in a very good upward trend. Look at that. It was in a very good run up. So why in the world would it's just like somebody took the air out of the tires and completely deflated, came right back down. Well, that's a lesson. It teaches us that the buyers didn't continue to control the market. That is what's going on. The buyers are not here, because if they were, we would not have seen the market in HBAR come immediately straight down. Straight down. So I did not get this price prediction right. I get it. I understand. I know when the market is actually screaming and saying, look, I know you want price to go up, but the buyers are not showing up. So maybe you want to take the opposite end of the trade along with the sellers. So yeah, I didn't get this right. So let me go ahead. If you were to get off the market today, yeah, we'd be down what? 22.5%. And it happens. It happens. This is the name of the game. This is the name of the business. You have to risk resources in order to gain more resources. Now let me get rid of it. And let's see what's going on now. Okay, let's scratch that. Let's erase the board and let's try to talk. And let's see what's really going on, because you guys can see it that the price in HBAR is still hovering around my horizontal line. What does this horizontal line represent? Yeah, it represents the stronghold of the buyers, meaning that as HBAR came down to this particular level, it came down and bounced off of this line, meaning that this is a very strong area for buyers to maintain price from falling. Right, we've seen this numerous times. So here we are again today. The market is bouncing off of this horizontal line a fourth time. Now, keep this in mind. If the buyers are not here holding price on this fourth occasion, and we break this price in HBAR, we're going to go a lot lower. A lot lower. And I don't see no issues with us even seeing it come down to 15 cents. Like, that's going to be the next logical point that we can see the market in HBAR run. This is the fourth time. And eventually, the buyers are going to get tired, right? They're going to get tired of deploying more resources just to try to keep this price from falling below 20 cents or 19 cents. They're going to get tired. And you guys can kind of tell as how fast HBAR came down from that 25-cent price. The buyers are like, I can't get a break. I was just able to lift price to 25 cents and now right back down to 19. I'm not going to buy anymore. And then that's when the price is going to collapse below 19 cents, and we're going to see a big move to the downside. Now, this might occur on a long-term basis, meaning weekly, 2 weekly time frame. Now, let's see what's going on 2-day. Okay, so you guys can tell that this market has been massively weak. The only thing that is keeping price from breaking 19 cents is, like I said, the buyers are there. They're trying right now. As a matter of fact, as I record this video, the buyers are trying to keep the price in HBAR from falling. Look at that. But if we transition this over to, like, let's say the weekly time frame, my concern is that this cryptocurrency is still weak. And this is the reasons right here. The first reason is because the buyers could not overtake 25 cents. They could not do it. This is a weekly price chart, meaning that every price bar we're looking at right now is a week worth of price action, meaning that this week right here, the week of March the 21st, the buyers were able to bring price up to 25 cents. The following week, they tried to break 25 cents, but they didn't do it. They failed. And to confirm that they wasn't able to do it, this current last completed weekly price bar, the one on April the 4th, we saw a big move to the downside. What do you know? What do you know? This chart is actually letting us know who is winning. The sellers are currently winning into the market. Now, can the buyers stage a comeback? Yes, at 19 cents. So if I'm still looking for price in HBAR to go lower, I already know what I'm up against. And I'm up against the price at 19 cents being maintained by the buyers. Now, this is 2 weeks. So from a 2-week perspective, it even looks worse for the buyers, to where this 19-cent horizontal line is in jeopardy of being broken lower. See, I'm trying to get us all prepared for the impending next move. 25 cents was important for the buyers to take, and they didn't do it. HBAR on a 3-weekly basis. Look at this. This is on the 4-day. We still have 4 days and 14 hours left, but this is not strong. Look at this. Over the last 4, right here, I'm going to draw a horizontal line. I want you all to see this. Price in HBAR still couldn't break above 27 cents. That's a cumulative total of 12 weeks. Every price bar that you see in front of you right now is 3 weeks. It's been 12 weeks. And price in HBAR has failed every 3-weekly price bar of breaking above 27 cents. See, I'm not here to convince you. I'm here to give you the evidence as to what's really going on this chart, right? So check this out. I'm playing the weakness into the market in HBAR. I'm still suspecting that this currency is still weak. The market hasn't convinced me yet that the buyers are here. Now I get it. Like I said, they can still maintain price here though. But I know if they're not able to overcome 25 cents, the price is ultimately going to continue to go down. It is what it is. So I'm trying to get prepared for that, right? So let's go ahead and play some weakness to the market in HBAR. So the best thing is for us to really see the price in HBAR hold 19 cents. If I continue to see buyers hold this strong hold at 19 cents, then yeah, I know I need to cut the play. I need to cut it without being emotional. The market is actually letting me know what's the name of the game. So my first price target is going to be around 16 cents. Down here to where the market buyers came through, I would say back in mid 2021, came through and held 16 cents, 16 and a half cents right there. So that gives us 18.58%. I'm not going to push it all the way down here to 14 or 15 cents. Not yet, but we can see that happen in the long term. Now, I'm not saying it's going to happen tomorrow or the end of the week or the ending of next week, but maybe from a 5-weekly to a monthly time frame, we can definitely see that occur in HBAR. That's it. Okay. So So now let me go ahead and put this back on the daily time frame so you guys can see what I'm looking forward to in this cryptocurrency. Let me go ahead and bring this back in a closer. Okay. Now you guys see it. You guys heard what I said as to where I think the price is going to go. And you know what I'm up against. I know that 19 cents can still be maintained by the buyers. And I would react quickly to let this play go. If I continue to see the buyers hold 19 cents like they've done all the way since like the beginning of this year. I already know it. So there's no need to be emotional to say, yeah, the play's not working out. All right, so it's your turn. Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.